There. It's open all the way. What do you think? What do you think, mister? Give me more. Oh, give it to me. You're not fast enough. Good job, mister. Good job, mister. Look at you go. Little more. Here we go. Wow. Not sure. Oh, yes. What was that look for? Oh, careful. Don't jam it down your throat. No jamming. Are you ready? Oh. More? Holy cow. He's like, it's about time. I've been waiting for months for this. Good job, mister. Was that sour? Was that sour? He says, whoa, sour. Is that awesome or what? Oh, careful. You have to be careful.